Do you have difficulty hearing loved ones but are afraid you can't afford the cost of hearing aids? We want to help. We're spring cleaning and our shelves are stocked with hearing aids we need to move. That means you can get hearing aids up to 50% off.
Having to hear people from behind a face mask or socially distance can make hearing harder than ever, and hearing aids can help.
I love that these hearing aids can track my steps, monitor my activity, and if I fall, alert a loved one.
With the tap of a hand, my hearing aid can instantly boost speech understanding.
As an audiologist and daughter of an aging parent, I'm aware of the negative effects untreated hearing loss has on a person's well-being.
That's why it's important to get tested early, take it seriously, and take action quickly.
If you've put off getting hearing aids, this is your chance to take advantage of up to 50% off. Come in for a free demonstration and walk out hearing better from the experts at the ENT Institute. Let our family take care of yours.